Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G specs review. Launch 25th December 2025. Weight 207 grams. Comes with Android 15, can go for 4 years of major OS updates. Display 683 inches, Super HD AMOLED display 3200 nits peak brightness. Processor Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. Battery 6500 mAh, 100 watt super fast charging. Under display fingerprint sensor. 200 megapixels main camera with ultra wide lens. 32 megapixels front camera. Storage options 256 512 GB, RAM 8 to 12 GB. Pricing. Thanks for watching.